everybody come to make trouble. My father, a peace, and that's why, because I just peace, you see it? Just peace, my father, and I believe that Jesus, no? Yeah, I mean, in serious, you see it? Yeah.
Wendell Mills is set to appear in court this Thursday, April 24. A variety of homegrown produce was on display at the inaugural staging of the Manchester Food Festival, but some farmers took the opportunity to highlight issues threatening their livelihood as well. Ramar the Lions reports.
This year, farmers were hoping they would have given up drought for Lent, but many lament the intense periods without water continue to jeopardize their investments. For female farmers, already fighting in a competitive profession, all efforts seem futile.
Most of the challenges that I face in farming is drought. Sometimes it's because of the drought, our crops are being affected, and sometimes during the dry season we can't really cultivate anything.
Most of the time we're having drought in Trelawney, and most of the time our crops is not going too fast.
Drought significantly reduced crop yields by limiting water availability for irrigation and stunting plant growth. In 2024, the Rural Agricultural Development Authority RADA said prolonged drought conditions in early to mid-2024 affected over 7,000 farmers across St. Elizabeth, Manchester, Clarendon and St. Catherine. Tomato, sweet pepper and yam, some of the many crops affected. Farmers say getting those crops ready takes time.
So it may take us probably $50,000 to cultivate a plot of carrots with seed and everything. And when we sell our produce, we don't make back that much.
The sticks are $14,000, sometimes $16,000 when the chopman them come, and then we have to pay $6,000 to jam it, and we have to hire donkeys to bring it to the farm.
Now, last year, the Agriculture Ministry said climate change is the biggest threat to agriculture, pointing to Hurricane Beryl and the tropical storm Raphael. The Jamaica Agricultural Society says it's better prepared this year.
The JAS is now coordinated with the Ministry of Agriculture, Fisheries and Mining so that we can provide the support to the farmers on a timely basis. And as such, we are here today to support them in this event as well.
Already battling a changing climate, the women say other factors make matters much worse. The high cost of agricultural inputs and the little to no incentives, to name a few.
With workman money and chemicals is very expensive. So sometimes we have a glut on the market as well.
Sometimes we have our yam, bananas, plantain and our potatoes, and we're not getting the right money for our products. So we need our product to have more market for it.
President of the Manchester Association of Branch Societies, the parish arm of the Jamaica Agricultural Society, Norman Murray, says that's one of the key reasons the food festival was conceptualized.
So we're advocates for the farmers, and part of the advocacy is to provide a channel, a route for marketing for their produce. So we ask them to come out here to showcase what they have, and going forward, we are working on avenues for them to showcase their produce as well.
Ramar the Lions, TVJ News.
And it's time for another break here on the local segment of Primetime News, but stay with us, more local stories when we come back.